In 1908, a young journalist named Napoleon Hill met Andrew Carnegie, the richest man in the world at the time. Carnegie gave Hill a challenge: spend the next 20 years interviewing the most successful people on Earth to find the secret to their success. Hill interviewed over 500 giants: Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, Alexander Graham Bell, and found that they all followed the exact same mental blueprint. That blueprint became Think and Grow Rich. Today, we are breaking down that blueprint for 2026. This isn't just about money, it's about the architecture of the human mind. Principle number 1, desire. But Hill isn't talking about a wish or a hope. He is talking about a burning desire. Most people wish they had more money. A wish doesn't bring riches. Only a state of mind that becomes an obsession, followed by definite plans and persistence, will produce results. You have to burn the ships behind you so there is no way to retreat. Hill gives us the 6 steps to transmute desire into gold. 1. Fix in your mind the exact amount of money you want. 2. Determine exactly what you intend to give in return, nothing for nothing. 3. Establish a date by which you will possess it. 4. Create a plan and start immediately. 5. Write out a clear, concise statement of these 4 things. 6. Read it aloud twice daily, once before bed and once upon waking. Principle 2 and 3, faith and auto-suggestion. Faith is the head chemist of the mind. When you combine faith with a thought, your subconscious picks it up and translates it into its spiritual equivalent. But how do you create faith if you don't have it? Through auto-suggestion. This is the act of feeding your subconscious mind thoughts of success until it accepts them as fact. Your subconscious is like a fertile garden. If you don't plant seeds of prosperity, the weeds of failure will grow by default. Principle 4 is specialized knowledge. Hill makes a shocking statement: knowledge is not power, it is only potential power. Knowledge only becomes power when it is organized into a plan of action. You don't need to know everything. Henry Ford didn't know the specifics of engineering, but he knew how to hire people who did. Principle 5 is the imagination. Hill calls this the workshop of the mind. There are 2 types. Synthetic imagination, rearranging old ideas into new combinations. A creative imagination, connecting with infinite intelligence to receive brand new ideas. Principle 6, organized planning. You can have the desire, but without a plan, you are just a dreamer. You must surround yourself with a mastermind group to help you refine your plan. Principle 7 is decision. Hill analyzed over 25,000 failures and found that procrastination was the top cause. Successful people reach decisions quickly and change them slowly, if at all. Failures reach decisions slowly and change them frequently. Principle 8, persistence. This is the insurance policy against failure. Most people are good starters but poor finishers. They quit at the first sign of opposition. The only thing that separates the winner from the loser is the ability to keep going when the fever of excitement has worn off. Persistence is to the character what carbon is to steel. Principle 9, the power of the master mind. No person can become great without the help of others. When 2 minds come together, a 3rd mind is created, an invisible, intangible force that is greater than the sum of its parts. Think of it like a battery. A group of batteries provides more energy than a single cell. If you are the smartest person in your circle, your battery is draining, not charging. Principle 10, sex transmutation. This is often the most misunderstood chapter. Hill explains that the desire for sex is the most powerful human emotion. When this energy is redirected from physical expression into creative or professional outlets, it can turn a person into a genius. It provides the drive, the spark, and the magnetism necessary to lead others. Principles 11, 12, and 13 deal with the invisible side of success. The subconscious mind is the link between the finite mind of man and infinite intelligence. The brain acts as a broadcasting and receiving station for thought, and the 6th sense is the apex of the philosophy. It's when you can sense danger or opportunity before it happens. This only comes after you have mastered the first 12 principles. Before you can grow rich, you must clear your mind of the 6 ghosts of fear. 1. The fear of poverty. 2. The fear of criticism. 3. The fear of ill health. 4. The fear of loss of loves. 5. The fear of old age. 6. The fear of death. Until you conquer these, they will act as a brake on your progress. Think and Grow Rich is not a book you read once. It is a philosophy you live. The secret isn't hidden in a vault, it's hidden in your daily habits. Start today by writing down your statement of desire. Read it tonight before you sleep. Read it tomorrow when you wake up. The world doesn't pay you for what you know, it pays you for what you do.